Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is a case for your brand new Samsung phone, which is the S21 Ultra. But first thing first is actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, this is basically what it looks like. So there's the case itself, and underneath that is a little warranty card and thank you card. Let's take this out first. Alright, so this is basically what the case looks like. You can see that it's a little bit flexible. This has a little kickstand on here, which is pretty awesome, and they have the little logo there as well. So here's the big opening for the actual camera itself. They do have the button slot right here. Let me give you guys another perspective of the actual button right there. This is what the inside looks like, and that is what the bottom part looks like right there. So overall, a pretty cool and awesome case itself, as you can see. This kickstand is really cool, as you can see. All you guys can do is just pull it out and push back in to close it. The material that they use on here is pretty cool. It's like a translucent and everything, but so it definitely has a little bit like coverage or like translucent design to it, so you guys can't really see the phone itself compared to like an ultra clear or like an all clear design case. But definitely a really cool case itself. So I don't actually have the phone, but they sent me this to kind of review and show you guys what the case looked like. I've actually been a fan of their product for a long time. You guys don't know from my videos and everything. And the way how they designed this one's a little bit different than the other ones that I have, because I am an iPhone user, so I have the other iPhone cases. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So here's the one that I've been using. This is the iPhone case right here. You can see very similar design. But this one actually has a little clip inside where actually it holds the actual kickstand inside. If you guys can see that clip. Whereas this one doesn't have that clip, it just like slides in. So that thing that you just heard, that's not a clip, it just slams it onto the actual product right here. So definitely a very different design. And if you guys follow this brand, they actually made like a new case for the iPhone right here. And what's really cool about this one that they have for the brand new one right here is the fact that you guys can actually hold it like a photography or videography like stand right here. So if you guys want to like do videos or whatever, it's pretty cool because you have a very nice grip right here to hold like that. And for this one, you guys actually push this button right here to kick it open like that. So all of them are a little bit different design, but depending on your preference and what phone you guys have, that's how you guys determine which one to get. But for the Samsung one right here, that's what it basically looks like. For the back part here, it's raised a little bit, if you guys can see. I believe it's just raised about like 1.3 millimeters or something. And same thing for the front side. Obviously, like I mentioned, I don't have the phone, so I can't show you guys what it looks like with the phone, but it definitely does work. These are also supposed to be drop protected as well, so if you guys do end up dropping it with the phone in it, it will not be cracked or it won't get damaged. And then for the back of the case right here, it is anti-fingerprint and smudge proof and anti-scratch. So if you guys do end up scratching it, you guys can't really see it, but if you guys look really carefully, you guys can probably see a little bit from like your nail scratches and everything, but it shouldn't be too bad. Unless you guys look at it like really carefully, then you guys can kind of see it, but if you guys look at it from far away, it's not noticeable at all. And one thing that I do want to mention about the case, if you guys look really carefully, so right there on all four corners, they do have an extra protection layer right there, so it kind of like boosts out a little bit. So if you guys do end up dropping it on the corner or anything, the phone will have extra protection if you guys drop it on those corners, so you guys don't have to worry about that as well. So let me actually show you guys what the actual case looked like on the table and everything, so you can see a better view of it. Because when I put it on my hand, you guys probably can't see it as a good view of it, of what it looks like. So let's go do that first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So this is basically what it looks like when you guys actually use the cases right here as a kickstand. So this is basically what each one looks like that, if you guys can see, which is pretty awesome. And if you guys want to, you guys can use it in different angle as well. So you guys want to do like this, you guys can do that as well. So that's what each one of those look like if you guys use it in that angle like that. Or you guys can use it in another angle, which is like this. So that's how you guys use each one of these cases depending on how you guys want to use it, but it's definitely really cool if you guys can see. So there's different positions based on what you guys want to use it for, but it definitely does work and it works quite well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that actually does work. It actually works quite well. I definitely love the material on here. It feels so high quality and it actually feels really nice. I definitely love the matte black design compared to like the all clear design cases because it won't really show your phone too much. So if you guys do want to show up your phone, then you probably want to get like all clear design case. Whereas if you guys have the same kind of personality or perspective as me, where you don't want to show the back too much, then this is probably better. Currently, I believe this is the only one that they have in terms of kickstand for the Samsung phones. The iPhones, they have this one, and they also have the other one right here. So hopefully they do end up making more of the cases that are similar to this in different design that I just show you guys for the iPhone, but we'll see what they do over time. One thing that I did notice as I was testing the product itself, they do kind of have a little grip right here on the side right here where you can actually put your hand like that. but it's not the same compared to the way how they designed this one right here, where it has even better grip. This one has a little bit of grip, but you guys can't really get too much of grip on here. But definitely the overall product itself is pretty awesome. So now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.